Hurricanes and their impact on society by Alex Caldwell. What is a hurricane? According to Brian Dunbar of NASA, a hurricane, also known as a tropical storm, is a large storm with swirling winds with a minimum speed of 74 miles per hour. Parts of a hurricane. The first part is the eye, which is the middle and usually is 20 to 30 miles wide and is the calmest part in the storm. The second part is the eye wall, which is a wall of thunderclouds and has the most rain and strongest winds. Spiral rain bands are bands of rain on the outside of the storm that appear to spiral inward. How does a hurricane form? A hurricane forms on warm water, usually about 80 degrees Fahrenheit or more, with wind. It starts as a tropical depression. After a couple of days, the winds speed up and heavy rainfall begins to appear. How are hurricanes classified? Hurricanes are classified into categories according to the wind speeds. A Category 5 hurricane is extremely rare because the winds are over 155 miles per hour. Memorable hurricanes. Hurricane Katrina, which hit Louisiana and spanned 400 miles. The winds were up to 100 to 140 miles per hour. Hurricane Patricia, which took place in Mexico and destroyed the entire village of Chimela. Hurricane Charley, which killed 10 people in the U.S. and caused $14 billion in damages. Hurricane Sandy was the most destructive hurricane of 2012 and the second costliest in U.S. history, about $75 billion. Just how bad are hurricanes? Hurricanes can destroy full cities in just a matter of hours or days. Hurricane Katrina destroyed 200,000 homes and buildings just in the city of New Orleans. Winds can reach speeds up to 200 miles per hour. How should you prepare for a hurricane? Pay attention to the weather channels when you think one is near. Have an evacuation plan ready. Have flashlights and batteries accessible. Always have plenty of non-perishable foods. Who helps after a hurricane hits? There are several different organizations that will help after a hurricane, but the two main ones are the Red Cross and the Federal Transit Administration. How do these organizations help? These groups help by rebuilding homes for those that lost and by supplying food for those in need. They receive donations and put the money towards helping those who went through a disaster like a hurricane. They can also help take those who lost to a relative or someone close for comfort. Citations.